Namaste Gurukulians. Hope all of you are fit and fine at your home in this pandemic COVID-19. So today again we are here to do the part 4 of the first chapter, changing trend and career in physical education. It is of +1 class, first chapter. In last part we completed what is physical education, aim and objective of physical education, changing trends in physical education, career, which career we can choose through physical education, or what trend change from the past period till now in physical education and sports. Many things are there. Today we will do. Today a program launched by Indian government on 31st of January 2018. That was Khelo India program. Khelo India program. Khelo India program, it started 31st January 2018. Its inauguration done by Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji. Its headquarter is in Delhi of Khelo India program. Main purpose to start this program is grassroots talent hunt. Grassroots talent hunt. Grassroots talent hunt mean to improve the level of physical education and sports in society, to create the interest in the people, in between among the people about physical education and sports, or to bring the individuals from the ground, like from the villages. You know, people used to play in the villages different game, or their fitness level is very good in compared to the people or children's lived in the urban areas. So to improve the talent, to check out that talent and give them chance to come up in the field of physical education and sports. The main aim of Khelo India program. When this program started, our sports minister was there, that Shri Rajyavardhan Singh Rathore ji. His contribution also very good in this program. Under this Khelo India program, the main concern to improve sports, to provide facilities, to create interest for the sports of different games. Different games are added in this program, or age category also there, under 17, under 21, like this. Or year by year government doing efforts to increase this program popular in between the people of India. At first some aim and objectives are there. Aim and objective of खेलो इंडिया program. Some aims and objectives are there. What they are, we will do discussion about this. Aims and objectives. First is play field development. Play field development means especially in rural areas, in urban areas, the areas which are not in the touch by road like this, connectivity, to improve the grounds, facilities. Suppose anybody having an interest to play hockey, so you know for hockey that we need a area for playing hockey. So to develop these type of facility on ground level to the people, to their area, to their cities, to their towns, the main aim of Khelo India program, play field development. Community coaching development. Community coaching development means if anybody having interest in games, so a coach should be there, must be there to teach them, to train them, to give them training plans, how to do training, or through which best or scientific training he can achieve the maximum level of the sports or performance. So for the community coaching development, or even a reason behind this to start Khelo India program, to improve the relationship, to improve the knowledge about sports, about games to the people of India. Third one, we can say it is state level Khelo India centers, state level. Khelo India centers. In this, like a area, a town having a facility of grounds, but coach is not there. At first, government help to create the facility of grounds and development to that place or to the people of that area, or government take the responsibility to provide a good train, that coach who can train the students or players very well. It is the also a aim of Khelo India program. Fourth one, annual sports competition. Every year from 2018, government organizing the annual sports competition to improve the level of games and sports, or to improve the area in games and sports, to improve the interest or knowledge about sports to the people. In this competition, from every state, people or sports person go and take part, participated and won the medal. Through medal, if they won the medal, a scholarship plan is also there in this program. Fifth one, talent search. Talent search program. Through this, like government providing the facilities of ground, government providing the coaches on their places, that centers which opened by the government, they organize the trials. It is the open trial to the sports person, to the children, to the students, that they have to come or give trial. If anybody that according to this talent search program, there's a potential is there that he can do anything, he can do he can give good performance, he can win medal for their city, state, country also. Then they will select the child and they will give coaching to the person of the game. Sixth one, to create infrastructure or creativity. Infrastructure, ground is there for spectators, that sitting area is there, many more facilities which are necessary for the ground. To create these type of infrastructure through Khelo India program. Sports to national, regional, sorry, it is support. Support to national, regional, state for sports. Support to the country, to the region, to the state, to the district, to the village. Everyone under this program, every area is under this program to support regarding sports. These area, it is also a aim of Khelo India program. Physical fitness of school children. To improve the physical fitness of school children, category started by by the government through Khelo India program, like under 17 category is there, national is there, or even government advised to the school that physical education teachers to take the test of all the students of school to check out the fitness level of the children's, that in future like if anybody is lacking, they will provide the training plan, training schedule, proper training plan to the individual, that he can become fit, or it will if this program seriously that applying in the schools, so it is very beneficial for our country future also, because a fit person contribute a lot to the country in sports also or rest of the field also. Next one, sports for women. to increase the participation of women in games and sports. You know, from 1904, first time women participate in Olympics. Even modern Olympics started from 1896. 1896 only men participate. 1900 only men participate in games and sports. But in 1904, first time women allowed to participate in games and sports. So it is also a significant aim and objective of Khelo India program, that to increase the participation of women in games and sports. Next one, promotion of games among the people. Even you know, with the Britishers rule, many modern games they introduced to our country: badminton, volleyball, hockey, football, skating, basketball, korfball, handball, yoga is indigenous. But many people are there in India, they don't know about the game, how to play. Even first time when they watch the game, they surprised. This type of games are also existing. So promotion of games among the people means knowledge about the games, to create interest in the people about the games, that they will play or they will grab medal for the country. Or sports for peace and development. Sports for peace and development. You know that Pierre de Coubertin, who started Olympic Games, modern Olympic Games in 1896. The main aim of Coubertin was that to create peace, to create peace in the world. Many disputes were there in between that countries. That countries don't like the people of their country. You know, nowadays like India, Pakistan, like this. To remove these type of disputes or to create peace and development, it is also a main aim and objective of Khelo India program. You know, some rules are there of games and sports. Means we have to play with rules and regulation. We should not apply tricks during the match. So these type of things, even you know that flag of Olympic, it is of white color. White color is the symbol of peace. Flame is the symbol of knowledge, life. So to create peace through games and sports, or to develop the society through games and sports, people having an interest in games and sports, automatically they will become fit and fine. Or if they are fit and fine, their contribution in our society will be very good. General diseases will be not there in the people. So automatically, if a society is healthy and wealthy, so country become developed. Next one, last, promotion of rural indulgement. Handwriting is not okay, but you will understand. Indulgement means involvement, शामिल होना. So promotion of rural indulgement in villages. Government provide facilities. If facilities are there, then automatically people will come in the ground and they will play. Or it is only the method to improve the games and sports, because a high talent is there in our villages. People are there in the villages with high level of fitness. Only we have to channelize their energy, we have to guide them properly according to the norms of games. Which game is perfect for the individual. Only we have to check out this thing. Lots of persons or people are there in rural area with keen interest in games and sports. So these 12 aim and objectives are there of Khelo India program. Khelo India program. One more thing, under this Khelo India program, 2-3 things are there. First one is Khelo India Youth Games. Second one, Khelo India School Games. Third one, Khelo India University Games. It is started recently in 2020. Cuttack, Odisha. This tournament was held in Odisha, Cuttack, 2020. It started recently. These all are under the Khelo India program. Some more things are there, like under this program, government select 1,000 talented students, we can say students or players, to improve the level of sports, or to provide these 1,000 students facilities that they can do good practice in good environment, or they can grab the medal for the country, for their state, for their national, for their nation. One more thing, under this program, these talented students, they will get 5 lakh rupees scholarship under the Khelo India program. One more thing, that government promote 20 universities, which will become the hub of sports under the Khelo India program. Many more things are there under Khelo India program, aim and objective. You can open that Khelo India site also, that on Google. A pic come out in between that Khelo India program, or 12 objectives will be there, you can check. Or many more things which are under the Khelo India program, like 1,000 talented students they have to select, they will get 5 lakh rupees scholarship. Government promote 20 universities, which will universities in sports, which will become the hub of sports to improve the level of physical education and sports. Many things are there. So it is the Khelo India program. You have to check this video, or you have to learn what I am teaching in this video, or if deep knowledge, more knowledge you want to get, so you have to go to internet. If you will surf on internet Khelo India program, lots of things more you will get about Khelo India program. So it is the last topic of +1 class, first chapter, Khelo India program. One more thing is there in that chapter, that particular games or their federation or their tournament at national level or that international level also, about the knowledge of their competition, respective competition with particular game, volleyball, basketball, hockey, archery, basketball, many games are there, their competition on national level and international level. This is also a topic, but we will do that one also, or you can check on internet also. So for today this much. We'll meet you next chapter, we will do in next part. So तब तक के लिए सभी को नमस्ते, टेक केयर ऑफ योर हेल्थ.